Numpad 1 to go to the front viewport. If you don't have the numpad, please type above the tab key and select front. Let's remove this cube. We need a plane. R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the x-axis. G to move, and hold Ctrl to snap to the grid. Ctrl R to add a loop cut. Let's remove the half of the faces. In edit mode, type 1 to vertex select, A to select all, and Ctrl B, and type V to bevel the vertices like this. Time to add the screw modifier. Ctrl A to reset all transforms. Let's create a chord mesh by adjusting the screw modifier's settings. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Time to add a curve point. Please remember to press the 3D button. E to extrude. After that's done, type A, V, and A to smooth the curve. Let's add the curve modifier. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.